Hello students, thanks for visiting. This is the next question on trigonometric identities, and we have been given an expression sin square a minus sin square b upon sin a cos a minus sin b cos b, and we have to find this is equivalent to which of the given options. We observe that in all the options we have compound angles, that is either a plus b or a minus b with either tan or cot. Okay, so let us see how to do that. Now this question is interesting because it needs one kind of secret formula in trigonometry. So if you don't know, then just pay attention here. I'm going to tell you what that formula is, and that formula is going to give us a simplification of the numerator, that is sin square a minus sin square b is equal to sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. Okay, isn't this formula very much familiar to our algebraic identity that we may know, that is x plus y into x minus y is x square minus y square. So kind of similar pattern is observed here also. Okay, so we have to take this formula for granted. That means only when we know this formula we can solve this question very quickly. Alright, I am giving the link to the proof of this particular formula below in the description box. So if you want to see from where does this formula come, then you can view that video. And of course the proof does involve all the known identities, so it's not difficult, it's just that we have to remember this result. Alright, so chalo, let's move on. Now what we are going to do is, let us write the numerator therefore as sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. Okay, in the denominator another trick that we are going to do is we are going to multiply by 2, and hence we have to divide by 2. So therefore we will get 2 sin a cos a minus 2 sin b cos b, and since we have multiplied by the factor 2, I'm going to also compensate it by 2 here. Alright, so what is the simplification of 2 sin a cos a? That is sin 2a and sin 2b in the next term. So therefore we have sin a plus b into sin a minus b divided by sin 2a minus sin 2b, okay, whole multiplied with 2. So let us keep that 2 as it is. Let us see what can be done with that. Okay, so moving on, we have again sin a plus b into sin a minus b. In the denominator we will use the factorization results, right, and that gives us 2 cos 2a plus 2b divided by 2, which is nothing but simply a plus b into sin of 2a minus 2b divided by 2. So we get only a minus b, right, multiplied with 2. So we observe that the factor of 2 gets cancelled, and similarly factor of sin of a minus b also gets cancelled, and thereby we are left with sin of a plus b upon cos of a plus b. So clearly that is tan of a plus b. So final answer is option B.